Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa akin channel, and ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo Diary by Bread. So, nasa standard tuning tayo and let's start! So, first part ng kanta is the intro. So, ituturo ko muna sa inyo yung rhythm. So, yung chord niya is G major 7. So, ganito lang. So, ito yung G major 7. Next is G7 suspended 4. So, second string and first string sa first fret. Next chord is C over G. So, C sa ring finger mo, pero yung ring finger mo nasa G sa 6th string. And little finger mo, yun yung maging C mo. C over G. Last chord is the G. Okay. So, paano yung plucking part? So, ganito lang. Third string open, lock mo. Okay. Okay. So, yung bass mo is nasa G. And then, nag-chord ka ng G major 7. Lang. Napakadali lang ng yung bass nyo lang is nasa G ng third string at saka pagpunta mo sa C over G, dito ka na sa 6th string. Next part ng kanta is the verse. Yung chord na ginamit ko, same pa rin. G major 7, G7 suspended 4, C over G, and G. Dalawang ulit yon ng chord. And then after that, next chord na ginamit is E flat diminished 7. Nasa chord chart, pero kung nahirapan kayo, index finger in the 5th string, 6th fret, middle finger in the 4th string, 7th fret, little finger in the 3rd string, 8th fret, ring finger in the 2nd string, 7th fret. Okay? E flat diminished 7. Next chord is G over D. So D chord, and then yung middle finger mo, middle na sa 6th string, 3rd fret. Next is D7. And then passing chord to D sharp diminished 7. Same chord ng E flat diminished. Then next chord is E minor. Basic E minor, alam nyo na yan. Next chord is G7. A bar chord G7. Next chord is the C. Basic C. Next chord is the G. Next is G. And another G. So yung chorus part is yung chord na ginamit ko is D7, passing chord to D sharp diminished 7. Next is E minor, alam nyo na yan, and then G7. Next is C. Next, A minor 7. Next is D. And the next chord is D7 over C. So, para kang nag-D major dito. And then, ring finger mo nasa 2nd string 3rd fret. Middle finger mo nasa 5th string 3rd fret. D7 over C. Next is G over B. Balik mo sa C. And then last chord is B suspended 4. And as I go through my life, I will give to her my wife and all the sweet things I can find. I found it out underneath the tree. So, after nung chorus, repeat again, verse. And then after sa verse, balik sa chorus. So, yun lang yung whole song. Napakadali lang yung mga chords. And hope mga tolls may natutunan kayo sa aking tutorial. And don't forget to click like and subscribe para updated kayo sa aking channel. So, yun lang. God bless.